This video describes editing the face data of a room. So here we have a typical room. To edit the face data, there's two ways you can do this. You click once to select the room. Once you've selected the room, the edit menu will then allow you to go into the face data details, which you can edit from there. The other way of doing it is, again, having selected the room, right button click, you get the tear off menu, go into face data that way. Another feature you might find fairly handy is on the view menu. You can actually measure. So if you're going to edit a window, for example, you want to move the window along, you can use the F12 functional measure, where you can measure the distance from the corner of the room or the face to the left hand edge of the window to give you the measurement. So what you would then do is a right button click face data, go into the face of interest, which in this case is the wall you can see highlighted in red there. Go into the external windows, go into external window number 1, and you would then edit that and make that say 1.19 as the measured distance. Obviously you can edit the information in terms of the dimensions, you can add blinds to the windows, you can add shading. There is a more global way of doing this in a further video, edit global change elements, that's the video. So you can go into each face and change the exposure. So again, if you've got the exposure incorrect, you can go in and edit that. You can change the element types as well. Another feature you might find handy on a very large room where you're not really understanding which face is which, you can go to the room details, where this can display the plan of the room with the face numbers, and you can actually display the room as well, and that will become transparent in the corner. So you can display that information. So as you track around the room, you can see quite easily your face numbers. On a room like this, it's fairly simple, but on a much larger room with many faces, you can select the faces from the listing. So that's really a brief overview of how you edit the room. So it's either a right button click on the tear off menu, or you select the room and go up to the edit menu and then select face data, as you can with ceiling tiles profile as well.